Hey guys, Ellie from the YouLi support team here to talk to you a little bit today about how to be an affiliate on YouLi. So I have now clicked into here my YouLi dashboard from my invitation email. So you want to make sure that you click straight from that email that you received from the trip or travel company that's encouraging you to and empowering you to sell their trips, create your account or log in onto your YouLi account here. When you click in and sign up, you will be able to see that you have a slew of trips that you will be able to sell, all from that one company or multiple companies if you've been invited to more. The first thing you want to do when you log in as an affiliate is click over by your name and go to accounts. It's important that you set up your account in YouLi, so you will, of course, be able to change and update your avatar, change your profile information, your branding information. This is where you can add anything you need to about you as a travel agent in terms of your own branding, as well as enter in your payment information so you can be sure to make and get those commissions. I'm going to go ahead and click back into my YouLi dashboard here so I can talk a little bit more about how you can actually sell those trips and make your commission with the travel agent or travel company that has invited you to sell their trips. So you will be able to see just on that your YouLi dashboard all the trips you have access to sell. First thing I want to point out is that from this dashboard you can easily grab your share trip link. Take note that this share trip link already has your affiliate code at the end, so you don't have to worry about any adding to that, so that we will on the back end be sure to track that information so that you get credit for travelers that sign up for these trips with your code. I also want to point out that you can see who is running the trip. You will be able to see the dates of the trip. You can see how many travelers that have signed up with your affiliate code have registered. And you will be able to click in and manage those travelers as well. First, though, I want to make sure we address, right, like, how do you know if you want your travelers to be going on this trip? How do you learn more about the actual trip itself? And that is super easy. All you have to do is click into the trip. So I click just straight on that trip board or that trip card, and I get put straight into what we call on YouLi the trip page. This trip page will show you all the information that you need to know. It is what has been built by the travel company that has invited you to sell their trips. You'll see the highlights, the schedule, the itinerary, the costs, as well as potentially, contact information if you want to dive deeper there. You can also easily grab your share trip link straight from that dashboard. I also want to make sure I point out that you can register travelers on your behalf, right? If you notice, you already have that share trip link at the top, so you will be able to sign up your travelers and get credits if you know that they want to register and book this trip. I'm going to go ahead and click back into my dashboard now because I want to show you what it's like after your travelers have registered or signed up, whether they do that through your shared trip link or if you sign them up yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and just click in. You can do it either by clicking on Manage People or clicking on the amount of travelers that have registered. You can see here, I now have access to seeing which travelers have signed up. I can see that they have registered, but they have not yet paid. I also have the ability to view as this traveler, which allows you as the travel agent or affiliate to help make any changes necessary for your traveler's account. I also want to quick show you what it's like to click into the traveler's trip board, which will show you all the information you might need to know about your traveler. As well as the fact that you will be able to track that it came from your own affiliate code to ensure, right, that you get credit for that traveler without a doubt. I also truly encourage you to dive into our help center. If you do any of your own trip planning and build quotes, we also are super powerful platform to help you do that. So feel free to explore it. And if you reach out via this contact us button, it's humans, it's me. We'd love to hear from you.